Hello, Creative Crafty Lovely. If you're a new subscriber, returning subscriber, I am so delighted that you are here. I am once again participating in the open collaboration Project Share Thursday that is hosted by Mary Ellen's Crafts and Hauls. So these are actually going to be going out for a swap, and we had to create 10 of these, and these they called them labels. So they're just decorative labels, and this is not my original idea. This is actually someone else's. And what I did here is I had some tissue paper like this that I stamped, and this was from a different swap, but this was the remaining that I had. So I actually created this, and what I did is I put this on cardstock. I decoupaged it on cardstock, and then I went ahead and I cut it up. And then I just started embellishing it. And so this is what they look like. I really enjoyed doing these. And the really great thing about these was that I got to use up some letters right here. So I had some puffy letters and stuff. As you can see, they are dimensional. And so I got to use them up. And I just kind of kept them the same, a little bit different in terms of where the butterflies are. And also, you know, the little bling right here and the holographic right there. So, and I also wanted to mention that these right here, flat back pearls, are actually white, but when they're up against the black, they took on like a grayish shade. So I thought that was kind of interesting. See, right here are the original ones, and here's what they look like on there. So as you can see, they picked up some of that black color. Here is a good look at all of them, and I was also able to use scraps. I will go ahead and link the original video down in the description below. If you would like to see what other people are creating in this open collaboration, just follow the hashtag Project Share Thursday. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you find happy little moments throughout your day. Bye.